So earlier today I mentioned partnering with Matace Carpet for today's video, and I was super excited because it arrived in the mail today. They were generous enough to send me 2 of their anti-fatigue kitchen mats. So I just wanted to take my carpet up, clean up a little bit underneath it, and get ready to lay those down. While the carpet that I had previously I liked for the design, it was not very functional. You know, I was always standing on the seam, whether I was at the sink or the stove. So I was pretty excited to try these out. These are narrower by design, which I personally love in the design of my kitchen and the layout here. So I decided to flip this one to the other side so that the shorter mat fit pretty nicely by the vent that you can see. These mats are designed to be non-slip, water resistant, simple to clean, and built to last. What I found pretty intriguing about this company was that it was designed by floor cleaning professionals due to seeing the environmental impact and excessive waste associated with traditional carpet cleaning, which means that these carpets are designed to keep clean. So you can see I tested it out. I wanted to see. So I spelled I spelled ketchup on this rug to see what it would do, and it immediately wiped up. And I'm just using a damp cloth to wipe it down. And then I thought, well, maybe I didn't really get it in there, you know, like maybe I didn't rub it in enough. So I tested it again, and I took some more ketchup, and my daughter here was even helping, and I rubbed it in, and you can see it with the same result. It really wiped clean. There was nothing left on the rug there. So if this is something that interests you, I do have a coupon code for you. It's going to be Lindsey18 to get 18% off of their site-wide. They also have a line of removable carpet squares, and that's like if you spill something on a particular square or ruin a particular square, you don't need to replace the entire carpet, just a single square.